Okay, welcome to lesson 4, part 2, slope-intercept form of a line. Here we're going to be graphing our lines in GeoGebra. So please make sure that you are on GeoGebra. And here we are. So the first example we're going to do is this y equals 1 half x minus 1. And then here I have the 4 steps all laid out. The slope-intercept form, identifying what the slope is, what the y-intercept is, what our y-intercept is, and then the slope. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing you want to do is you always want to make sure you have your axes in your grid. And then you always want to make sure you kind of have a general area that you know you can work in. So first thing, we're going to plot the y-intercept. We're going to plot that b equals -1. So we go up here to the point. We go to -1 on the y-axis. And we put our point there. Now we need to use our slope. So we're going to go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, and there we have our 3 points. So then we go to our line tool. We click on our first point, we click on our last point, and we want to make sure that we don't accidentally move our last point like I just did. So we click, and there we go. And the line should go through this middle point. If it doesn't, then you know that you messed something up whenever you were drawing. So you might want to just double check that you pick the right intercept and that you use your slope appropriately. Okay, so now we're going to go to another example. This y equals -2/3 x plus 5. And what I want you to do is I want you to try this on your own on GeoGebra with your group as a help. So go ahead, pause this video, look at this, and do this now. All right. So I'm going to put my grid on. I'm going to plot my y-intercept. It's at 5. Now I'm going to use the slope. Down 2, right 3. Down 2, right 3. Connect them with a line. Click the first. Click the second. There we go. And then after you would plot your line, you would use Snagit or whatever screenshot tool you're using to capture this and put that image or put that link into the document. So this is the end of the GeoGebra portion of this lesson.